Hey, what's up? Welcome to another episode with a good deal guy. Today I want to do a unboxing and review and also how to set up your new Tapo. This is a Tapo C510W. This is a PTZ color night vision 2K resolution amazing camera. I have all my cameras with TP-Link, the doorbell, the wireless one, and there's a couple of indoor ones, and I've been super happy. So this is the one I wanted to buy and check it out for the longest time. But I had my V380 for a very long time. I had three of these, and they're still working. They're amazing cameras. So it was time to retire this and replace it with another one. This way, all my cameras are on the same app. But let's dive in real quick. I'm gonna open, see what's in the box, and we're also gonna install them on our phone. But if you're brand new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe. That way you can support my work and you can see all my other reviews. I'm excited. What's in the box? Open this. Oh, this way. Okay, so let's put the box aside. And you know something I really like about TP-Link? They come with 2-year warranty. Okay. In the box, let's see. We have our quick setup. We have our power adapter. We have our panel. There's all the screws. And we have our camera. So let's look at this real quick. So let me move this so you guys can see. Perfect. This is a PTZ camera, pan tilt zoom. So this covers a very large area. Okay. And what I like about them, with all the TP-Link cameras, you can use Tapo Care, or you can put a memory card in there. Okay, so there's no monthly fees. Very big. At the end of the day, it saves you a lot of money. Okay, let's check the quality on this. I really like this. And this goes on a panel, and I believe this goes right here. Or maybe not. I have to check the manual, but I'm going to set this up with my phone and we're going to set them up together. Something I really like about the Tapo, the TP-Link cameras, they are actually fairly easy to set up. They come with a really long cord. Like, look at this. So you might not even need the extension cord, but you have to like put it on the wall or wherever you're going to put it. Okay. Let's plug this in. Oh, she's alive. So you have to wait a couple of seconds because it's going to do his little turning around, and it's going to start, and then it's going to give me the light that's ready to pair. That's another thing I like about this camera. Where is my Tapo app? Tapo. So that's my wireless doorbell. Those are my wireless cameras. Those are the indoor ones. So what you want to do, you go on top. It says plus. You push plus. It says add a device. You add a device. And it gives you all the different cameras and all the switches and all the different things that TP-Link makes. Indoor camera, outdoor camera. So obviously this is the outdoor camera. And then you can actually look on your box and you have the model, right? So the model here was, I believe, TP-Link 310, 310, 310. The C, it should be the C10. Let me see this again. Our model is C510. So let me see if they have C510 here. You can actually check like this. Tapo C510. That's the one. So if you can't find it, you can just go to search and type it, and your camera comes up. And it says, is it powered up? Is it, check the LED. When it's blinking like this, it's ready to pair. Now, another thing I really like about Tapos, some of the cameras that I've tried and installed and sold in the past, they give you a QR code and you have to like go hold it and you have to do a dance, and it's a different technology. With TP-Link, watch, I'm gonna push next. And it's searching for it and it's gonna connect. Connect to the device, yes, connect. And that's how simple and easy it is with TP-Link, and that's why I like it. It says choose your network. We're gonna choose our network here. It also says, please enter your password. So I'm gonna put my password here quick. Okay, ta-da. I think I remembered it right. I hope so. And then it's going to take a couple of seconds.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
And it's connecting to the Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi connected.
So literally, it takes about 2 minutes to connect this camera. I love it. And we got going live. So let's check this out quick. Name your device. Tapo C510. And it's good deal, guys. Tapo C510W. All right. You can name your camera whatever you want, right? You can put front door, back door, garage, baby's room, etc. Right? Next. Where is this going to be? This is going to be obviously outside, so it's going to be in the front door. Next. And they have little icons. The reason they have the icons, so when you're looking for a camera, you can find it easily. I believe this is ours right here. But complete. You have configured your Tapo device and it's ready to use. Now, they offer you 30 days every time you buy a new Tapo camera or you install a Tapo camera. They give you 30 days Tapo trial. Now, what the Tapo trial does, guys, it's actually really cool. It records everything on a cloud storage for 30 days. So if you're somebody who's away a lot, you go on a vacation, you go on business trips, and you're not home, Tapo Care is amazing. Now, I have the Tapo hub, so I put my memory card, and I actually have 2 of them because they came with my doorbell camera and my wireless camera. Or you can buy them separately. You can buy a Tapo hub and you buy a memory card and you don't pay anything. But with a memory card, it only records for like 2 days or 3 days because I have 4 cameras, 5 cameras, 6 cameras. And if I'm away for like 20 days, I have to buy a bigger memory card, right? So with the Tapo Care, it records for 30 days. With a hub and a memory card, it depends on the size of your memory card, it records as well. That's personal choice. You can decide for that yourself. Dismiss, we don't want to try this. Let me think about it. Dismiss, got it. I don't want it. Got it. Got it. And our camera is right here. Let's check this bad boy quick. Welcome to Smart Cameras. Now check out what Smart Camera can do for you. Go. It gives you actually a tutorial of your camera, okay? Now, if you are brand new to Tapo, you can go through this step by step. Or you can just close it and go right to your camera. Amazing. Now, this is upside down because the way I put this, but this is how you set them up. There's tons of features on this, just like other Tapo cameras. I'm going to make another video. I don't want to make this video longer than what it is. I'm going to make another video for you guys and go through all the features of this camera, okay? Again, if you're brand new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you can support my work. And thank you so much for watching.